Hello everyone. Today we are going to install the plugin for Google Analytics and we are going to configure all the Google Analytics into our dashboard of WordPress. You can apply these techniques to any of the CMS content management system or any of the website that is built on PHP, HTML, anything like that. The process goes same for all of the websites. First, you need to open your Google Chrome or anything like that, then just type in Google Analytics, click enter, and click on the very first option right here. For that, you must have to have a Google account because it is important to have a Google account. And now I'll click on no thanks. I'm just going to now add the website which is probably download free courses. So now I'm going to add. We are going to click on the admin right here, and now we are going to just select create a property, and it's probably a website you can add SAM for mobile applications. The website is download free courses. That's what you need to give your website name, and I'm just gonna copy paste the URL right here and just avoid using the HTTP because it's already selected. If you have the HTTPS version, you can select right here. And I'm just now gonna select the category, and I will probably type technology. I think there is no combination to this one. Let's select something like I'll just go to online communications. Now I have the time zone. You can select as your country. I will just go for Pakistan because I live in Pakistan, and it will automatically select the other things. Now I will just click on the get tracking ID, but that is where the tracking ID is going to help you. Now it will show you the tracking ID where you can just copy this tracking ID and paste that into your. Now I will just go into my admin panel of a website, and I can just simply go to appearance, and inside appearance I'm just going to click on the editor, and I'm just going to tell you that it's just the first step that how you can do the setup of all the Google Analytics, and just click on the theme header, which is going to be header.php probably, and just you need to paste this code right here and just click the update, because I'm just not gonna do this or every day. I'm not gonna do just open the Google Analytics and just check my users or the statistics. What I will do is just I will install a plugin that is going to give me help to check all my users, all my data, that where I'm getting a lot of users, other things in my own this website dashboard. This is going to be helping everyone, and it's very easy to do. And now just you need to install this one. It's by exact matrix. Click activate. Once you have activated the plugin, now you can see that just click on the Google Analytics right here. It will be appearing after, and now you just need to click on the authorize plugin. What it will need is to get the access code from the account. I'll click on my account that I have already signed up for Google Analytics, and it needs now the account access. I will click on the allow option right here. Now I need to just copy this code, and once the code is copied, just paste this code right into the access code and click save access code. Now it will automatically fetch the download free courses URL, and now you just need to click on the log selection. Once you have clicked log selection, just click on the save changes. And now the plugin has been successfully activated. And once you just click on the dashboard, you can go and find it here. This is the Google Analytics plugin, and you just need to click on today, and you can select the traffic, bounce rate, location where you're getting users. You can also check the real-time users, so it will get activated in just 1 or 2 hours. After that, you can check all your users, your stuff right here. Why don't I recommend the into pasting the editor? Because you will every day go to the Google Analytics and check them right in the home, that how many users you are getting daily and all the stuff. It is very easy to check the users and other status in your own dashboard. I very recommend this dashboard plugin. Uh, because I'm just not gonna come every day here to check in Google Analytics. I can simply come into my download free tutorial courses and I can check the user status and other stuff like this. So this is going to help me, and this includes the tutorial. Hope you like it, and this is very simple and you can use the same methods for your any content management system, whether that's Magento, Joomla, or any of the platform, or scripts, PHP or HTML. Hope that's gonna